Yeesh! What a morning. Always doing what the kids want. Well, good morning, y'all. Welcome back to Honey Bear's Country Kitchen. This morning, I promised to make banana bread. I'm doubling my recipe. I've been asked for banana bread probably like the last 3 weeks, but I've been busy putting out other content. And I finally said, fine, boys, I'll get you banana bread done. So while they're out working on my son's Danger Ranger and my husband's Dirty Diesel Duramax truck, we're going to work on banana bread. And if you haven't already, go check out my son's channel. It's KJ's Outdoor. And it's just a picture of him and his yellow lab. And he did a fishing video, which is absolutely wonderful. Then him and me did a cooking video at the end of that one. So go check him out. He's 15 years old and he wants to go places with his life. And he wants YouTube to be his full-time job. So check him out. Give the boy a like, a subscribe. So I wanted to shout him out. So we're going to get started. I did go ahead and preheat my oven at 350 degrees. That way it's ready to go. But we're going to go ahead and get started by, I'm going to blend up my bananas in my mixer. I always freeze my bananas. Let them get really ripe and I'll freeze them for about a week or so before I make banana bread. There's just something about it that gives it a sweeter flavor that I really enjoy. And I even like to take them out of the freezer, frozen, and eat them. I mean, it's a good cold snack. My kids like when I blend them up out of the freezer because it tastes like banana ice cream. So we're going to go ahead and get started. So follow along, guys. Alrighty, friends. So as promised, we're going to start with the bananas. So I'm going to put my paddle attachment on. Then I'm just going to go ahead and throw my frozen bananas in here. And I'm just going to turn this on low. And I'm going to let this beat until it's nice, soft, almost like a baby food consistency is what I'm going after. And that way I know it's ready as we throw bananas out. So for some of you who are like wanting to know the secret, how to get that nice, moist, sweet flavor, this is what I found works best for me. Alrighty, friends, so now that I got that nice creamy texture, don't mind the baby's a little bit fussy today. It's like an ice cream. So now that we got that, we're going to go ahead and crack 4 eggs into our mixture here. And mine are farm fresh eggs. You can use store-bought eggs. It's whatever floats your boat. And like I said, I'm doubling my recipe. So if you just wanted a single loaf, you would only use 2 eggs. I'm going to go ahead and let that get another little mixy going. While that's mixing, I'm going to go ahead and add in my 2 teaspoons of vanilla. And then we want 1 cup of butter, which each stick is a half a cup. So I want 2 sticks of butter. And I just throw them in there whole and I'll let my paddle do the work and breaking it on down. So I'm going to go ahead and turn up my beaters just a little bit. That way we can break that butter down just a little bit more. A lot of people will take and they will melt their butter in the microwave, on the stove. There's something about it. I don't like to melt my butter. I'll let my butter get soft. And then as it's soft, then I can put it in my mixture. And then just something about the little chunks of butter in there that melt through the bread makes it so moist that I like. Alrighty, fine. So to my wet ingredients, I want to add in 2 cups of sugar. Let's see what it said. Yep. So it's going to be 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. I just want to make sure it was 1, not 2. And I kind of heat mine. You can do exactly what it says. So I just heat it. My salt, I will just do 1 teaspoon of. I'm using Redmond's. And then 2 teaspoons of baking soda. Then we're going to go ahead and let that mix. Alright friends, so we're going to turn the mixer way down. And I'm adding in 4 cups of flour, but I'm going to do it just little by little. Now if you was just doing 1 loaf, you would only want 1 cup of flour. I mean 2 cups of flour, I'm sorry. And I'm going to slowly turn it up little by little. And just starting it out really low, just and make sure that your flour is not going to fly all over your kitchen. I'm going to go ahead and let that mix up for about 2 minutes. Alrighty friends, so now that we got that nice and mixed up, I'm taking some softened butter. You can use oil, you can use Crisco, whatever floats your fancy. I'm just using butter to go ahead and give my pan a nice grease, that way my bread don't stick. And I usually do a pretty decent coat. So there's nothing like a banana bread that's stuck to the pan. Alrighty folks, now we got both of our pans greased. I got my hands washed, so I got the bread off. Our batter looks beautiful. Like I said, I like the chunks of butter in mine, because when it melts through my bread, it just gives it that nice moist texture. So I'm going to divide this in between 2 pans. I did have a request for nuts on top, but all I got is pistachios, so we're not getting nuts today because this mama is not running to the store today. When you live in the Midwest, out here in Iowa, the stores are few and far in between. Don't mind my dog. She's always got something to say when somebody opens the door. Sorry about that. I had to help my youngin'. He's been grumpy today. I think it's because of the weather. But we're going to go ahead and put this in. I'll check my bread in about 25 minutes to see how it's looking. But I usually cook my bread anywhere from 25 to 30 minutes. So I'm going to go ahead and set my timer for 25 minutes. And when that goes off, we'll be back to check it. Alrighty friends, I wanted to show you what it's looking like after 25 minutes. It takes an hour to cook, but I like to show people like in 25-minute increments on what it's looking like. So it's still very moist, so it still has to cook. So we're going to close this up, let it cook for another 25 minutes, and then we'll come back and check it. My oven's yelling at me, so don't mind, we're going to get it here. That is what you call one beautiful banana bread. And when it splits down the middle, that's exactly how you know it's done. Tell them, sis. And see how the butter, I don't know if you can see that, but you can see the butter in the middle just running. That's what I love. And I'll leave chunks of butter in there. So we're going to go ahead and get this flipped out. Oh, I thought maybe. Oh, there it went. I was going to say, I hope maybe it would just flip right out, being that I like really buttered those pans up. Alrighty, got this beautiful banana bread. And yeah, my nephew's over there staring at me, waiting for me to cut it hot. Like, no lie. I'm getting like the death stare right now. Like, he's only been waiting for this forever.
Yeah.
Alright, come here, mister. You want it hot?
Okay, here I come.
Gotta put the extra butter in it.
Hello, I'm back again. Lovely. I love banana bread. I never had her banana bread, so. Definitely banana bread.
See why I aged my bananas now?
Yeah, and I never heard of that. Like, I never knew that. Definitely banana-y.
I bet you he has some 2 loaves gone within 2 days.
This one's gonna be gone probably tonight.
He got to show his lovely wife his banana bread.
Yep. She made it for me too a couple times. But this is really good. Wait, I taste cinnamon. You put cinnamon in there?
Uh-huh.
That's new. I taste the cinnamon. That's good though. And normally I don't like cinnamon things. That's actually decent. It's not too much, and it's not too much cinnamon. It's just the right amount of pinch.
Are you satisfied with your banana bread now?
Yeah.
He's only been begging for 3 weeks for it to be done.
Literally.
So now he's got 2 loaves, and we got like a whole case of bananas left, so I'm sure he's going to want more.
Oh yeah, probably. I'm most definite.
He's about to chow it down.
Well, in my opinion again, I always love her baking and cooking, so you guys probably already know my answer.
The next one he's going to want is the smoked chocolate chip cookies that we've been talking about. The ones on the smoker.
That's new as well. That's new.
He likes his cookies.
Okay, so we're going. Yeah, I do love cookies.
So what's next?
I want to try it on the smoker.
Alright. Well, there you have it. Teenager approved once again.
Let us know what you guys think. And again, let us know what you would like to see. And, you know, do all the things like comment, subscribe, post notifications.
Yep. But until next time, friends, we're going to enjoy some banana bread and enjoy each other's company. Peace.